So today's election day. It's a really important day. I'm not here to tell you about what my political beliefs are, what your political beliefs should be, but what I am here to tell you about is how election day is so important and essential to our democracy. In other countries around the world, there is no election. There is no ability to cast a vote and decide as a community who you want to represent you in government. And this is also really important. And the reason I want to bring this up is because it relates a lot to personal injury law. Because in personal injury, you have a dispute with the person that injured you usually over the value of the case. And the way that's resolved is by a jury of your peers through a jury trial. So essentially the community comes together to adjudicate or to judge your dispute and to determine what it's worth. And in a similar situation here, on election day, we come together as a community to decide who we want to represent us at various stages and levels of government. So this is really important, and we're really fortunate in America, despite all the political turmoil and all the trouble that you see in the news, we still do have a democracy, and we still are entitled to vote for the people that represent us. And when we do have disputes, we are entitled to have a jury of our peers decide what the case is worth, or who's right and who's wrong, who caused an accident, who did not. And that's really important and really valuable, and sometimes we take that for granted. So it's a really important day today. I encourage everyone to exercise their civic duty, go out and vote, and also keep in mind that as a member of society, you want to get educated and be informed, the same way that if you were judging a jury trial, you would want to listen to both sides and make an informed decision about who's right and who's wrong, what the damages are, what the injuries are, and so forth. So today's an exciting day, and it's kind of a cool moment to reflect and be grateful that we have a democracy here in America. In other countries, the same person or the same small group of people is the judge, jury, and executioner, and that usually doesn't lead to a very fair or just result.